Ciao Anna! Che freddo! Fa freddissimo!
Ciao Genoveffa!
Senti, stasera allora andiamo al cinema a vedere Oppenheimer? Invitiamo anche Davide?
Davide? No, credo che abbia già visto questo film.
Anna, ma cosa dici? Ma sai parlare italiano? Si dice credo che ha già visto questo film.
Credo che abbia già visto questo film.
Ah,
Abbia.
ah.
Ciao, sono Anna e questo è My Italian Circle. Questo è un video della nostra serie Italiano Facile, dove spiego in modo semplice argomenti che sembrano difficili. L'attività di oggi è dedicata ai livelli intermedi, ma tutti possono ascoltare. Oggi parliamo di congiuntivo passato. Non piangere, stai qui. Si può fare.
Si può fare!
Today we'll talk about the past subjunctive. This tense is easier and more useful than you might think and will boost your Italian. If you don't feel confident with the subjunctive, don't worry. I will explain just the basics you need to make it work. We have grammar lessons that explain the subjunctive in detail. You can find the links in the description below. And, as every week, you will find additional content and more exercises on our Patreon page. Become a patron, you won't regret it. Cominciamo! Primo passo. First step. Remember, we use the subjunctive after verbs or expressions that convey opinions, hopes, wishes, or moods. What does this mean? Example. Io credo che Marco sia simpatico. I believe that Marco is nice. My opinion, I believe. Io credo. After io credo, we need the subjunctive. Sia. Io credo che Marco sia simpatico. Other examples. Spero che Andrea arrivi presto. I hope Andrea will arrive soon. Il mio desiderio è che tu capisca. My wish is that you understand. Sia, arrivi, capisca are all subjunctives, present subjunctive. Of course, you should be familiar with the conjugation. If you aren't, don't worry, keep watching. You can study your verbs afterwards. Conjugation tables are in section 7 of our grammar handbook. Second step, secondo passo. Understand when we need the past subjunctive. Rule 1. The past subjunctive indicates something that occurred before the main action. Let's clarify with an example. I think David has already seen this film. Penso che Davide abbia già visto questo film. Penso is the main verb. It expresses an opinion, so the verb that follows must be in the subjunctive. Remember? Moreover, the action of watching the film happened before the time of speaking, so we need a past subjunctive. Credo che Davide abbia già visto questo film. Abbia visto is our past subjunctive. It's very easy to form. We must form the present subjunctive of avere and add a past participle. Io abbia mangiato. Tu abbia mangiato. Lui, lei, abbia mangiato. Noi abbiamo mangiato. Voi abbiate mangiato. Loro abbiano mangiato. That's it. More examples. I think Luigi has already eaten. Penso che Luigi abbia già mangiato. Of course, this little word già, already, yet helps us understand that the action has already happened in the past, or may have happened. Another sentence. I hope the kids have studied. Spero che i ragazzi abbiano studiato. The action of studying has happened before the time of speaking, or That's what the speaker hopes. Rule 2. If the verb forms compound tenses with essere, like andare or venire, then of course you have to form the past subjunctive with essere. Io sia andato or andata, tu sia andato, lui, lei sia andato o andata, noi siamo andati or andate, voi siate andati or andate, loro siano andati or andate. An example sentence is I think the girls have already gone home. Io credo che le ragazze siano già andate a casa. It still have in English have gone, but we use essere in Italian. Mind agreement. Ragazze, andate. Now, sentences like these should make sense. Spero che Leonardo abbia pagato il conto. I hope Leonardo has paid the bill. Noi crediamo che Laura abbia detto la verità. We believe that Laura told the truth. Penso che Luigi sia già partito. I think that Luigi has already left. Done! This is all you need to know. And again, you have to know verb conjugations, but that is just something that you need to remember and practice. The most important thing is that now you know what the past subjunctive is and when to use it. If you already know the passato prossimo, this can help you choose between essere and avere. Now compare. I know that Paolo has already eaten. So che Paolo ha già mangiato. Indicative. I think that Paolo has already eaten. Credo che Paolo abbia già mangiato. Subjunctive. I know that Elena arrived yesterday. So che Elena è arrivata ieri. Indicative. I think that Elena arrived yesterday. Credo che Elena sia arrivata ieri. Subjunctive. Let's practice. Turn the sentences from present subjunctive to past subjunctive. All you need is avere or essere plus a past participle. Take a screenshot if you like. I'll start with an example. Credo che adesso Laura dica la verità. I believe Laura is saying the truth now. I want to change this into I believe that Laura told the truth in the past. Dire forms compound tenses with avere, and the past participle of dire is detto. So, our sentence becomes credo che in passato Laura abbia detto la verità. We have to move from the present to the past. Your turn now. Ready? Spero che i bambini abbiano mangiato la verdura. Paolo pensa che Luigi sia stato al lavoro. Credo che Elena Ferrante abbia scritto romanzi molto interessanti. Credo che Paolo sia andato a Milano. Spero che Andrea non abbia perso il treno. Now look at the sentences and decide whether they are right or wrong. Right or wrong? Wrong! Io so, I know is not an opinion or a wish, it's a fact. Therefore, we use the passato prossimo. So che Marco ha pensato ai dettagli. Right or wrong? Right. Alessandro pensa, he thinks, he doesn't know. He thinks that Andrea told the truth. Past subjunctive. Right or wrong? Think. Opinion or fact? Opinion. So, the correct sentence should be: io credo che tu abbia fatto un errore. Past subjunctive. Now the last one. Right or wrong? Right! Marco is not sure. He believes Elena has stolen the diamonds. Past subjunctive. So, today we learned when to use the past subjunctive, il congiuntivo passato. Tell me what you think in the comments. Easy, difficult, was this helpful? Scrivi la tua opinione nei commenti. But, most importantly, write your own sentences using the congiuntivo passato. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our weekly video. And if you have been following us for some time, well, it's time to become a patron. Ci vediamo mercoledì prossimo.